Welcome to our channel. Before we dive into today's topic on unexpected car repairs, let me tell you about something that can transform your car ownership experience. Our Ultimate Car Ownership Guide. This comprehensive guide covers everything you need to know, from the pre-purchase phase, ongoing maintenance, to the end of your car ownership journey. Click the link in the description if you're interested. Today, we're talking about a topic every car owner will encounter at some point: handling unexpected car repairs and finding a trustworthy mechanic. Owning a car comes with its fair share of surprises. Even with the best maintenance routine, unexpected repairs can pop up. These might include issues like a sudden check engine light, a flat tire, failing battery, brake issues, or alternator problems. Such surprises can be both inconvenient and costly. However, being prepared can significantly reduce the stress and financial burden. Preventive maintenance is your first line of defense against unexpected repairs. Regular checkups and routine maintenance can help catch problems early before they become serious issues. Make sure to do at least these preventive maintenance checkups: regular oil changes, tire rotations and alignments, brake inspections, fluid checks and top-offs, and battery tests. These simple steps can prolong the life of your vehicle, prevent unexpected repairs, and save you money in the long run. When an unexpected repair arises, it's crucial to stay calm and take the following steps. 1. Assess the situation. Determine if the issue requires immediate attention. For instance, a flashing check engine light means you should pull over and seek help immediately, while a non-flashing light might allow you to drive a short distance to a repair shop. 2. Understand the problem. Use resources like your car's manual or online forums to get a basic understanding of the issue. This can help you communicate more effectively with a mechanic. 3. Cost estimates. Get a rough idea of repair costs. Websites like RepairPal can provide average costs for specific repairs in your area. One of the most important aspects of handling unexpected repairs is finding a trustworthy mechanic. Here are some tips to help you find the right one. 1. Ask for recommendations. Friends, family, and colleagues can often recommend reliable mechanics. Personal experiences are invaluable. 2. Check reviews. Online reviews on platforms like Google, Yelp, and the Better Business Bureau can provide insights into a mechanic's reputation. 3. Certifications and credentials. Look for mechanics with certifications from reputable organizations like the National Institute for Automotive Service Excellence, ASE. 4. Get multiple estimates. Don't hesitate to get a second or third opinion on major repairs. This can help you compare prices and ensure you're not being overcharged. 5. Trust your instincts. Pay attention to how the mechanic communicates with you. A good mechanic should be able to explain the issue and the necessary repairs in simple terms. Once you've found a trustworthy mechanic, building a good relationship with them can make a big difference. Here are some tips. 1. Consistent visits. Regular visits for maintenance help your mechanic become familiar with your car and catch potential issues early. 2. Clear communication. Be clear about your concerns and ask questions if you don't understand something. A good mechanic will appreciate your interest and provide detailed explanations. 3. Feedback. Provide feedback about your experience. Positive feedback helps maintain a good relationship, and constructive feedback can help them improve their service. Unexpected car repairs are an inevitable part of car ownership, but with the right knowledge and preparation, you can handle them effectively. Regular maintenance, understanding common issues, and finding a trustworthy mechanic are key to minimizing stress and costs. And remember, for a deeper dive into every aspect of car ownership, check out the Ultimate Car Ownership Guide. It's packed with valuable information to help you navigate every stage of owning a car. The link is in the description. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more tips and advice. Drive safe and see you in the next video.